Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Tim back in the studio. Today, I am going to talk about how I make these videos and how you can use software like Zoom to do the same. Now, the reason I'm doing the video is I did a previous video talking about how I work from home and how I use certain software to do webinars and meetings with my staff and my clients. And a lot of folks are asking me to provide further explanations. So here you go. What I want to do is, in this quick video, is just talking about the software that I use most, and that is called Zoom. So before I get into sharing my screen and showing you that, I want to talk a little bit about what you need to do meetings like this. Now, if you have a laptop, chances are it already has a webcam built into the screen. It also has a built-in microphone. So if you have that, you're good to go. That's all you need to do a Zoom meeting. If you are using a desktop that does not have a built-in webcam, I use a $69 Logitech webcam. I've got an expensive microphone here, but there is a microphone built into the webcam, or you can spend, I think, less than $100 and get something like a Blue Snowball mic, which is really good. That's what I use from home when I'm doing the videos there. So really all you need is a webcam with a mic or a webcam and a mic, and you're good to go. It helps to have a really good connection as well, but that kind of goes without saying. So let me share my screen. We're going to go over and look at the Zoom website. Hello there. So to start, you just go to zoom.us. Now, I'll give you an explanation of what Zoom is. It is a software that you can do either browser-based, or you can download an app. You can run it on your computer. You can run it on your phone. You can run it on an iPad. And what it does is it allows you to have online meetings. You can have up to 100 folks in these meetings if you know that many people. I've never had that many, ever. I don't want that many. It'd be unruly. Anyway, so go to zoom.us and you're going to click on plans and pricing, and it's going to bring you here. All you have to do, all you need to begin is the free program. Okay, I used the free one for a long time before I upgraded. It will let you host up to 100 participants. Again, if you don't have 100 people on staff, or you're not trying to hold meetings with 100 people, the free one is just fine. So I'm not going to review all of this, but suffice it to say that you can probably use the free one for quite a while to get started. Now, I have been on the pro plan for years. I've been using Zoom for a long time. It gives you a little more features. It lets you still host 100 participants, but you've got some management issues. You've got some extended group meetings and that sort of thing. But to start off with, all you really need is the free one. So once you have that, you will set up an account, and then to begin, you are just going to log in and you're going to click Start a Meeting. Let me go ahead and log in. Let me move myself here. Okay. I'm already logged in, but if I wasn't and I did log in, it would take me over here to my main screen. All right, so after you set up your free account, it's going to take you over to your dashboard, and this is where you can start a meeting, you can join a meeting, you can do the admin stuff on your profile. But what I do is I downloaded the desktop app, and when I click to launch that, it gives me the option of starting a new meeting, join a meeting, and so if I click Start a New Meeting, what it's going to do is just give me the webcam view, which is this view, all right? So from here, and you're not going to be able to see all the controls that I have, but I can manage such things as my microphone. I can choose which microphone I want to use. If I've got multiple webcams, I can choose which webcam. I can invite participants. I can manage the participants. I can share my screen, and I can record. It also has a built-in chat. So if I've got, let's say I've got like 8 people up on the screen. If someone wants to make a comment, they can just leave a chat. You also have the ability to bring in participants and mute them. You can turn over control to them. So I'm going to show you how this works. Now, you probably can't see it, but down below here, once you have your setup, you can click on invite, and it will give you a link that you can then send to someone else. And when they click that link, they can either log in on their phone or they can log in on a computer. Works really simple. You send them a link, they click, they're going to pop up on the screen here, and suddenly you are sharing the screen with them. And I've got a little piece of a video clip. I'll show you what that looks like. So that's it. That's all you got to do. Install the software. It's really super easy to set up. You choose your microphone, you choose your video camera, you invite participants, and once you have them here, then you can manage the entire process from within Zoom. You can do chat. You can give them control, you can record, you can do all kinds of stuff. So hopefully that was helpful. Zoom is a really simple program to use. There are a ton of YouTube videos on how to use it. And if you have any questions, of course, that I can ask, just drop them in the comments below, and I would be happy to help as much as I can. All right, that's it. Get out there, go download Zoom and play with it. I think you're going to be very impressed by what you can do with this software. All right, see you later. Bye.